You have a piece of meat, in my case, beef, and you would like to add some sauce to that meat. You've heard of chimichurri sauce, and Chermoula sauce. Because like most of us, you Google stuff and this appears and messes everything up. We were planning to do a chimichurri sauce video, but because of this result, we decided to do a chimichurri versus Chermoula sauce. Would you consider this more work or an opportunity for a versus video? We will answer everything that need to be answered in a versus video, hopefully. Get my opinion on which sauce goes best with what, and no versus video is complete without a winner. Which sauce is the winner? We will start by making chimichurri sauce. The ingredients you will need: some olive oil, 1 clove of garlic, some flat leaf parsley, red chili pepper, oregano, red wine vinegar. The good thing is we'll be using food processor to make the chimichurri sauce. You don't have to go crazy with the knife and chop everything finely. You can use a food processor. We will start by cutting the parsley leaves off the stem, using only the leaves, and adding them to the food processor. Depending on how hot you want your sauces, you can either leave the seeds or remove them. I decided to remove them. For the garlic, you just need to grate it in. I used only 1 clove. Be careful not to cut your hands. Add plenty of olive oil for it to come together. Followed by a little bit of red wine vinegar. Remember, you can always add, but you can never take it out. So add little, and if it's not enough, you can add some more. Don't forget the dash of oregano. Notice how I did not add any salt and pepper at this stage. We will add the salt and pepper once we combine all the ingredients and break them down in the food processor, and then adjust the seasoning. Don't be afraid to taste your food. Taste the salt and pepper and adjust accordingly. This is the end result. This sauce is great with steak, and it can also be used with chicken and fish. However, I do think there is a superior sauce for fish and chicken, and that's Chermoula sauce. Let's look into it. The ingredients for Chermoula are some parsley leaf, some coriander leaves, lemons, olive oil, garlic cloves. For spices, we have salt, cumin powder, coriander powder, and paprika powder. This is completely optional and up to you. You can add some chili powder if you want heat in your chermoula sauce. Same as before, we'll be using a food processor. Start by cutting the leaves of the stem. In these sauces you want to minimize the stem as much as possible because the stem has a strong flavor. To avoid jamming your food processor, you can always chop the leaves a little bit to help with the breakdown, because here we'll be adding parsley leaves and coriander leaves. Then juice some lemons. I would recommend using 2 lemons only. Grated garlic. Add some olive oil before adding the spices. I would recommend breaking down the leaves with olive oil, lemon juice and garlic before adding in any spices. It should only take few pulses for the leaves to break down, and now it's time to add in the spices. Now you can go in for the final mix and breakdown. Here is the final result. In my opinion, this sauce is much superior with fish and chicken. This was our sauces video. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them below. Now it's time for the big reveal, which sauce I prefer, generally speaking. The winner is Chimichurri sauce. I think it tastes a lot better and it goes nicely with steaks, which is my preferred meat of choice. Thank you for watching till the end. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us out, and sharing the videos with your friends. See you in the next video.